What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Guff T's name here. Welcome to a world where planets have their own flags. Imagine a universe where each planet isn't just a celestial body, but a thriving nation with its own identity, culture, and yeah, you guessed it, its own unique flag. Today, we're diving into the imaginative realm of planetary nations. We're going to explore some awesome flags, uncover their hidden meanings, and imagine what life would be like under their banners. So, buckle up, space cadets, things are about to get intergalactic. Alright guys, let's talk flags. We all know Earth has a bunch of cool flags representing different countries, right? But what about flags for entire planets? That's what we're diving into today. Imagine each planet in our solar system, even the ones without little green men, having its own unique flag. These flags wouldn't just be cool designs, they'd represent the planet's history, its environment, maybe even its hopes and dreams for the future. Think about it, a flag for Mars, a flag for Venus, even a flag for Jupiter with its giant red spot. We're talking about flags that could unite entire planets under one banner, flags that could spark the imagination of generations to come. This is some serious next-level vexillology, people. First up, we're blasting off to Mars, the red planet. This journey is not just a leap in distance, but a giant leap for mankind. Imagine the excitement, the anticipation, and the sheer thrill of venturing into the unknown. Mars has always been a source of fascination, a beacon of curiosity that has captured the imagination of scientists, dreamers, and explorers alike. As we set our sights on this distant world, we are not just exploring a new planet, we are pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Now, Mars is all about ambition, exploration, and that whole colonizing another planet thing. It's about daring to dream big and taking bold steps towards making those dreams a reality. The surface of Mars, with its rugged terrain and mysterious landscapes, holds countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. The rovers that traverse its surface are our eyes and hands, extending our reach millions of miles away. And the vision of a futuristic Mars colony, it's not just science fiction anymore, it's a tangible goal that we are steadily working towards. So, its flag has got to be bold. Imagine a deep red background, like the Martian soil itself, symbolizing the planet's fiery spirit. This red isn't just any red, it's a deep, rich hue that speaks to the raw, untamed nature of Mars. It's a color that embodies the planet's harsh environment and its potential for new beginnings. The Martian landscape, with its red terrain and breathtaking sunsets, serves as the perfect inspiration for this flag. It's a reminder of the beauty and challenges that await us on this new frontier. And right in the center, a bright white circle, representing the planet's potential for life and our dreams of one day calling it home. This circle is more than just a design element, it's a symbol of hope and possibility. It represents the idea that Mars is not just a barren wasteland, but a place where life could potentially thrive. The white circle stands out against the red background, highlighting the contrast between the harshness of the Martian environment and the hope that we bring with us. It's a beacon of light in the vast expanse of space, guiding us towards a future where Mars is a second home for humanity. But wait, there's more. Inside that white circle, we've got two vertical lines almost touching, symbolizing humanity's journey from Earth to Mars. These lines are like pathways connecting 2 points in space and time. They represent the technological advancements and the collaborative efforts that have made this journey possible. The lines are a testament to the progress we've made and the challenges we've overcome. They remind us that every step we take towards Mars is a step towards a brighter future for all of humanity. It's a powerful message of unity and perseverance, reminding us that even though we're exploring new worlds, we're in this together. The journey to Mars is not just about individual achievements, it's about collective effort and shared goals. It's about coming together as a global community to push the boundaries of human potential. The imagery of unity and teamwork in space exploration highlights the importance of collaboration and perseverance. It shows that when we work together, we can achieve the impossible. This Martian flag isn't just a piece of cloth, it's a symbol of humanity's future among the stars. It's a representation of our dreams, our ambitions, and our relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration. The flag waving on the Martian surface is a powerful image, one that captures the essence of our journey and the promise of what lies ahead. It's a reminder that the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. As we look to the stars, this flag will serve as a constant reminder of our potential and our place in the universe. Next stop, Venus, the scorching hot yet oh so beautiful morning star. Now, Venus is all about love, beauty, and rocking that intense greenhouse effect, so its flag needs to be elegant, mysterious, and maybe a little bit dangerous. Picture this, a rich, deep blue background like the night sky when Venus shines its brightest. Across the center, a graceful, flowing curve in shimmering gold, representing the planet's thick atmosphere and its reputation as the hottest planet in our solar system. And above that curve, a single, brilliant white star symbolizing Venus's radiance and its place as the brightest object in our sky after the sun and moon. This flag is like Venus itself, captivating, alluring, and with a hint of hidden intensity. Now let's journey to Jupiter, the king of the planets. This gas giant is not only the largest planet in our solar system, but also one of the most fascinating. With its swirling clouds, massive storms, and a plethora of moons, Jupiter stands as a testament to the sheer power and beauty of the cosmos. Jupiter is all about power, size, and having more moons than you can shake a stick at. In fact, it has 79 known moons, each with its own unique characteristics. From the volcanic activity on Io to the icy surface of Europa, these moons add to the mystique and grandeur of Jupiter. So its flag needs to be majestic, awe-inspiring, and maybe even a little bit intimidating. It should capture the essence of Jupiter's immense presence and its dynamic atmosphere. The flag should be a symbol that reflects the planet's dominance and its role as the giant of our solar system. Imagine this, a background of alternating bands of orange and white, representing Jupiter's iconic stripes and its turbulent atmosphere. These bands are not just for show, they are a visual representation of the powerful jet streams and storms that constantly rage across the planet's surface, and right in the center a massive red circle with a swirling design, symbolizing the Great Red Spot, Jupiter's legendary storm that's been raging for centuries. This storm is so large that it could swallow Earth whole, and it has been a defining feature of Jupiter for as long as we've been observing the planet. But there's more. Surrounding that red circle, we've got 4 smaller circles, each a different color, representing the 4 Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, Jupiter's largest and most famous companions. These moons are not just satellites. They are worlds in their own right, each with its own story to tell. Io with its fiery volcanoes, Europa with its potential subsurface ocean, Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, and Callisto with its heavily cratered surface. This flag is like Jupiter itself, grand, imposing, and a constant reminder of the vastness and power of the universe. It serves as a symbol of the awe-inspiring nature of our solar system and the incredible forces at play within it. Just as Jupiter dominates the night sky, this flag would stand as a testament to the planet's enduring legacy and its place as the mighty giant of our cosmic neighborhood. Last but not least, we're heading to Saturn, the ringed wonder of our solar system. Saturn, the 6th planet from the Sun, is a gas giant known for its stunning ring system, which is the most extensive and complex in our solar system. These rings are made up of ice and rock particles, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that has fascinated astronomers and space enthusiasts for centuries. Now, Saturn is all about beauty, mystery, and those iconic rings, of course. The planet's rings are divided into 7 groups, named alphabetically in the order they were discovered. These rings are not only a visual delight, but also a subject of scientific intrigue, as they offer clues about the formation and evolution of our solar system. So its flag needs to be elegant, intriguing, and maybe even a little bit magical. A flag that captures the essence of Saturn must reflect its ethereal beauty and the sense of wonder it inspires. It should be a symbol that evokes the planet's majestic presence and its enigmatic charm. Imagine this, a pale yellow background like the color of Saturn itself, representing the planet's calm and gentle nature. This soft hue mirrors the serene and tranquil appearance of Saturn when viewed from afar, giving the flag a soothing and harmonious feel. And encircling the entire flag, a thin, delicate ring of silver, symbolizing Saturn's most famous feature and its place as the jewel of our solar system. This silver ring not only highlights the planet's iconic rings, but also signifies the unity and continuity of the celestial bodies within our solar system. But wait, there's more. Within that silver ring, we've got 7 smaller rings, each a different color, representing Saturn's 7 main ring groups. These colorful rings add a vibrant touch to the flag, symbolizing the diversity and complexity of Saturn's ring system. Each color could represent different elements or characteristics of the rings, making the flag not only visually appealing, but also rich in meaning. This flag is like Saturn itself, stunning, captivating, and a reminder that even in the vastness of space, there's always beauty to be found. It serves as a tribute to the planet's splendor and the endless mysteries that lie beyond our world. The flag of Saturn is not just a symbol, it's a celebration of the awe-inspiring wonders of our universe. Thanks for joining us on this interplanetary journey. We've explored the solar system, imagined incredible flags, and maybe even sparked some inspiration for your own planetary designs. It's amazing to think that one day these flags could be flying high on distant planets, representing a new era of human exploration and imagination. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which planetary flag was your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep exploring, and remember, the sky's not the limit when there are footprints on the moon.